is the chain of the Ananda Ayurvedic organization, which is spread along the length and breadth of the country. Around thousands and hundreds of students owe their career to this multifaceted setup. Believe it or not, but they owe their representative and status to a brave young man who dedicated his life to the cause of education. He was like a tiny seed which sprouted as a mighty banyan tree and dedicated his branches to sprout more banyans until or unless it covers the whole nation. Good morning to one and all present over here. This is Akshat Kumar of class 9C, representing Red House, present before you to deliver today's speech on the founder of this DAV institution, I. Mahatma Hansraj. Hansraj, who soon came to be known as Mahatma Hansraj, was born in a small town of Bajwara in the district of Hoshiarpur on 19th April 1864. His father died at a very young age when Mahatma Hansraj was about 12 years of age. He would then afterwards looked after by his elder brother, who only made the platter salary of ₹40 per month. Then he along with his family moved to Lahore, where Mahatma Hansraj joined a missionary school, where he was very surprised to see the discrimination, the caste discrimination made on Hindus by his Christian teachers. He was not knowing what to do the next until he listened to the struggling speech of Swami Dayanand, where he was appealing the people to come back to Vedas, as Vedas believe in one God. The two Mahatmas of India, I. Mahatma Gandhi and Mahatma Hansraj, are having many things in common. They both belong from a trading family. They are having enormous inner strength, and what Mohandas did by leading the country from foreign bondage to the freedom, Hansraj did by leading the youth from the darkness of ignorance to the enlightenment of knowledge. Mahatma Hansraj finally established the first DAV college in Lahore in the year 1886. Approximately 300 students enrolled in it and were nurtured under the guidance of the man himself, Mahatma Hansraj. He has served the DAV institution with full compassion and passion for 25 years. After that, after the retirement even also, he served many social services, just like he was helping the people from reviving from floods or other natural calamities as well. All was going right, but the end came on 13th November 1938 when Mahatma Hansraj died. उनका देहावसान हो गया, वे पंचतत्व में विलीन हो गए. Short, it was the death of his life journey, but not the end for his ideals. Not the end for his ideas, not the end for his thoughts, not the end for his principles. So just keep these principles, ideals and ideas along with you and make more your parents and this DAV institution proud of yourself. Namaskar, मैं अक्षत कुमार.
ज्ञान फूंकिया असेंबली में ये लड़का ने अक्षत राज लाइन से he is the tomorrow's leader. Give a big round of applause for Akshat Raj. Show nicely, show boldly, show confidently, and he presented on the topic Mahatma Hansraj. Really, she is the leader of the tomorrow. God bless you, beta. Over to PD sir.